So here there is no need of using where condition because they have not mentioned any condition. Okay, so where clause we can leave. So we need to find out the average salary needed to pay all the employees. So it will be a very simple query, guys. Okay, so I will write select average of salary, that is average salary from EMP. So it will make sure that it will consider all the employees. What it is saying is, oh, AVC, I should write AVC. So average means I will be abbreviating as AVC, and AVC of sal from EMP. So this is the query, guys. So we need to display the average salary of all the employees. So it will be selecting all the employee salaries and it will be finding the average of that salary. So that is basically 2073. So on an average all the employees in our table are getting 2073 as the salary. So that's it about third question. Fourth one, write a query to display number of employees having A as their first character. So I need to display how many employees are having A as their first character in their name. Okay, so how I can write, just see, guys, I will be using like operator here. Select, after that if I want to display numbers then I need to use count of star, that is basically used for counting, and after that from EMP table I have to take, and where condition is interesting, where I will be write E name, that means employee name. I will be using like operator, and in single quotes I have to write first I want A, guys. Okay, so after that it may be anything. So if I want to select anything then I will be using percent, this percentile, yes. So this percentile will make sure that it will take anything which will be displayed or which will be coming after A. So first character it will see whether it is A. Yes, it is A, then it will select anything which is after A. Okay, so just terminate this one with the help of semicolon and hit enter. There are two names which are starting with A in our table. If you want to cross check, I will just display, guys, in front of you from EMP, and you can see CCCCC and in name, right? So Alan is one name, after that Adamas is another name. Okay, can you able to see here, Adamas and Alan are the two names which are starting with A, so that's why it is showing the count as 2. So that's it about the fourth query, guys. Right, so next one, fifth one. I'll zoom in a little. Write a query to display number of employees working as clerk or manager. So I need to write a query to display number of employees who are working either as clerk or as manager. So I will be writing select count, after that star from EMP, where job in, either they should be working as clerk, comma, manager. So like this I have to close and hit enter. So there are 7 employees who are either working as clerk or manager. So that's it about the fifth query, guys. Okay, so next one, sixth. Write a query to display total salary needed to pay employees hired in Feb. So I need to display the total salary. I need to display total salary needed to pay the employees who are hired in Feb. Okay, so this is how can this one is pretty much similar to like operator. Here also I am using the like operator, right? So see how I will be writing select, and I need to find the sum of sal, right? So sum of sal, after that from EMP and where clause I will be writing hire date. Okay, so hire date, like, and in single quotes I have to write they should be hired in Feb. That means I don't know the day, put percentile. I know the month, put Feb. I don't know the year, put percentile. After that close this one and close this whole thing. So this is the answer, guys. So that's it about the sixth query, I think. Yes, sixth. Okay, So seventh one, write a query to display number of employees reporting to 7839 manager. So I need to display the number of employees who are reporting to 7839 manager. So for this I will be writing something like this, guys. So it is also similar. Select count of star from EMP where, okay, so where MGR, that means manager, should be equal to 7839, or else I can use manager in 7839 also. So there are 3 employees who are reporting to manager 7839. Next question, that is 8th one. Write a query to display number of employees getting commission in department number 30. So I need to display number of employees who are getting commission in department 30. So that means their commission should not be null. So I will be using is not operator here. Okay. So see how I will be using. First I will write select count. After that from EMP and where condition. So where condition is, guys, first one is commission should not be null. So commission is not null, I will use commission is not null, and DEPT number in. So they should be working in department number 30. So DEPT number in 30 I will use, and here is the answer. Okay, so this is how you can write. So 4 is the answer, guys. Clear the screen, move to the next question. Okay, so next one, that I think 9th one. Okay, so for 9th one, how I can write is basically write a query to display average salary, total salary, number of employees, and maximum salary given to employees working as president. So there are around 4 things which I need to display, guys. Okay, so if there are 4 things which I need to display, then what I will be using, right? So if I want to display 4 things, then I have to use comma operator in select clause. But we know that multi-row functions won't allow the multiple conditions in the select clause. So how I will be writing, just see. Okay. So first one, see, average salary is the first thing, total salary is the second thing, then number of employees means count I have to use, then maximum means max I have to use. So for this I will be writing something like this, select. Okay, so select average salary, this is the first thing which I want to find out. After that, sum of salary is the second thing which I want to write, and after that I want count. After that I will be writing count of star. After that I want maximum of salary. So these are the 4 things which I want to display. So maximum of sal. This is it, guys. Okay, so the first line done. After that, from EMP table I have to take, and there are conditions where they have said, okay, so where given to employees working as president. So job should be president. Job in, I have to write president. Okay, so job should be president. So that's it, guys, and I'll just close this one and hit enter. You can see this is average salary, sum of salary, count, and maximum salary. So like this, when there are multiple things to be displayed, you have to use comma operator in select clause itself. Alright, that's it, guys. So 10th question, write a query to display number of employees having A in their names. So I need to display number of employees who are having A in their names. So this is pretty much simple, guys. Select then count of star from EMP where, okay, so where ename like, so where ename like A should be there. I don't know at what position, so I will use percentile after A. After that again percentile and close the semicolon. Okay, so close that single quote and close the query. So it is saying from keyword not found. So from I have not written properly, guys, spelling mistake. So count, after that star. So you should write properly, otherwise it will throw error. It's okay. Ename like So percentile a percentile, close this thing, close the query, hit enter. So this is the answer, guys. Okay, so 7, that means 7 names in this table are having a as the one of their character in the name. That's it. So 11th one, write a query to display number of employees and total salary needed to pay the employees who have 2 consecutive L's in their names. So the same thing, guys, I just want to display the number of employees, that means I have to use count, and total salary, that means I have to use sum of sal needed to pay the employees who are having 2 consecutive L's in their name. So in their names 2 L should be consecutive. So just I have to use again like operator. Instead of A, I will be using double L here. See, I will be writing. Okay, so select, first thing select, I want count of star. Okay, so count of star, comma, after that I want to display sum of salaries. Okay, I don't know why I missed this first bracket. Sum of salaries from EMP, and where condition says that e name like percentile, there should be at least 2 L's. That's why I will put 2 L's there. Close that particular single quote and close the query. So this is the answer, guys. There are 2 employees who are above, satisfying the above condition. Just clear the screen again. Okay, so that's it about the which one, 11th one. Okay, 12th one, write a query to display number of departments present in employee table. So I need to write a query to display number of departments. So here is a trick, guys. Actually there are only 3 departments, but if you write like in a normal way, then we will be getting 14 as the answer. Let me just show you. So I will just write select count of star from EMP. Okay, so like this we will be writing, right? So select count, and I'll not be using sorry guys, I'll just write select count of DEPT number from EMP. So this is how we will be writing, right? So you can see here the output is 14, but I will just show you the table. Okay, so select star from EMP. You can see there are department numbers, and 14 rows are there, but they are repeating, right? So 10, 20 and 30 are only the 3 departments present in our system or in our table. Okay, so it is showing as 14. This is the wrong answer, guys. There are they are repeating, and it is calculating the repeated department numbers. Okay, so it is basically showing the 14 rows. Here you can see 14 rows, right? So these 14 rows it is calculating. So the actual answer should be 3, because only 3 distinct department numbers are present. So that's why to get this answer as 3, I will be using distinct clause here. So distinct means unique, guys, unique, different, or not same, like that. Yes. So I will be writing select. First thing you have to write select. After that write count as it is. Inside this bracket I have to use distinct keyword. DISTINCT, distinct, and in that after that I have to write whatever the name is, department name, right? So department number I have to find. So from EMP table I have to take this data, just write that one and hit enter. You can see the answer is 3. So this is the right answer, guys. Okay, so you can see here 10, 20 and 30 are the 3 departments or unique departments, and it is displaying 3. That means our query is correct. Yes. So like this, if they are asking the departments, or they may be asking like distinct salaries, then just use distinct sal, or else they will be asking like distinct names. Okay, so if they say display the names of employees present in our table or in our company, then you have to use you should not be using distinct in case of name, guys, because it is possible that 2 names 2 employees may be having similar name or same name. Okay, so in case of that one, we need to use employee number as well. Okay, so that things you have to keep in mind. Okay, I'll just clear the screen. That's it. And next question, Next question is basically I think 13th one. Yes. Okay, so write a query to display number of employees having character Z in their names. This is simple, guys. Okay, so select count of star from EMP where e name like Z should be there in name, right? So I don't know at what position, so that's why I'll use percentile. Close this single quote, guys. Close the query, and there are 0 persons who are having Z in their name, and especially the capital Z. Okay. So that's it about 13th one. 14th one, write a query to display number of employees having dollar in their names. So this is somewhat unique, guys. Okay. So that is basically 14th one. I need to display the number of employees who are having dollar in their names. Okay. So how I can, how to do this one, guys? Basically, see. First one, what I will be writing, like number of employees having dollar in their names. Dollar they are asking, right? So in this table, obviously the answer will be 0 because there are no employees who are having dollar in their names. Okay, so I will be writing like this. Okay, so from EMP I have to write. Okay, so after that where. Okay, so e name should be e name like. So what it is saying, dollar should be there in their name. Okay, so if I want to have dollar, I don't know at what position, so that's why I'll be writing like this. This is pattern matching, guys. Okay, so I need to find out the dollar sign on my keyboard, and I don't know at what position. Okay, so here it is. After that I'll be writing dollar again. Sorry, the percentile, hit enter. So it is showing my answer as 0 because there are 0 names, or none of my employee name is having dollar as one of the characters in their name. So that's why the answer is 0 itself. That's it, guys. Okay. So 15th one, write a query to display total salary given to employees working as clerk in department 13. Okay, so I need to find out the total salary given to employees working as clerk in department 13. So select sum of salary from EMP table where okay, so where clause says that given to employees working as clerk in department 30, where job in clerk is the first condition and DEPT number in 30. So DEPT number in 30, that's the second condition. Just hit enter, guys, and this is the answer, right? Next, move ahead at 16th one. Write a query to display maximum salary given to the employees working as analyst. So I will be writing select max of salary. Okay, so from EMP where job in, sorry, they should be working as analyst, right? So analyst, job in analyst, and the next condition says that given to employees, okay, there is only one condition, it should be working as analyst. So that's it, guys, and 3000 is the answer for this one. Clear the screen. The 17th one, write a query to display number of distinct salaries present in the employee table. So just now I have told guys how to display the distinct salaries. So I will be writing select. Okay, so they are asking for, okay, so write a query to display maximum salary given, that's it, that is done. Number of distinct salaries, number they are asking, then count of DISTINCT, distinct, you have to write properly, right? So distinct, and I want distinct salaries from EMP, hit enter. So there are 12 distinct salaries present in the employee table. That's it, clear the screen. 18th one, write a query to display number of jobs present in employee table. So I want to find out number of jobs present in table. So here you can see, guys, if I just show you the table first. Okay, So see, jobs, clerk, salesman, manager, analyst. So jobs are repeating. So in order to select the jobs, I need to use distinct again, right? So they are asking number of numbers, right? So select, count, distinct, and after that job I have to use. From EMP I have to select. Oh, sorry guys, I have written MEP. That is wrong. Distinct, after that job from EMP. And there are 5 jobs. Like first one is clerk, salesman, manager, analyst, president. Other things are repeating over here. So that's it guys. That's the answer. Okay. So write a query to display average salary given to the clerk. Write a query to display average salary. So average I have to use, after that average of salary from EMP table I have to take, where job in clerk, that means he should be working as clerk. So this is the average salary guys. Clear the screen. Clear SCR. Last question. Okay, so write a query to display minimum salary given to the employees who work in department 10 as manager or clerk. So I need to find out the minimum salary given to the employees who work in department 10 as manager or clerk. Two conditions: department should be 10 and another one is they should be working as manager or clerk. I need to find out minimum salary. So select min of sal, the first thing. After that second line says from EMP table I have to take. After that, okay, so department number should be 10. Department number, DEPT number in 10. That's the first condition. After that, working as manager or clerk. So job in, first one is manager, comma, second one says clerk. Close this thing, close the query, hit enter. So this is the minimum salary 1300, which is paid for the employees who are satisfying the above condition. So that's it about these 20 questions guys, and I hope you enjoy these things. So I have solved a lot of questions before this also. If you have not seen those things, then you can just check the playlist guys. I'm uploading part by part, and this is the 7th part I think. Okay, so just you make sure that you check out those questions as well. They are really interesting guys. You can just take a look at these things. Okay, so thank you guys, thanks for watching, see you in the next one, bye. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the next video. So this is the third video in SQL queries part playlist guys. So basically I have made already 2 videos in which I have solved 10 questions. So in part 1 I have solved 10 questions, and in part 2 I have solved 10 questions. So this is the third video in that playlist guys, and here we'll be solving 15 questions which you can see on the screen. Okay, so these 15 questions we'll be solving in the SQL Star Plus, right? So with explanation I'll be teaching all those things guys. So if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing our channel, and if you like the content, then you can just like the video. Okay, so without further delay, if you are seeing this video for the first time, I mean if you are a new viewer, so then I will just show you the tables which are present in my system guys. So to see the tables, we can write select, after that star from tab. So select star from tab, if we write, then it will display all the tables which are present in your system. So I have got 4 tables. One is department table, another one is employee and bonus and salary grade. Okay, so I'll be doing all my operations on this employee table. So I'll just display the employee table. So I can write select. Okay, so I will write select star from EMP. So it will display all the details of my employee table. So my employee table consists of employee number, employee name. So remember these column names guys. Okay, so that is also called as fields. So we need to write the exact column names if you want to get the output, otherwise it will throw error. So remember this table will be performing operations on this table itself. So employee number, employee name, job, MGR, hire date, salary, commission and department number. So you need to write the exact things in query if you want to get the output. Okay, so for the repeated viewers it will be like a kind of repeating thing, because for each and every video I am showing this thing, that is how to check the tables and what are the contents of this employee table. So yes guys, so few viewers will be new and they don't know what is stored in this table, so we'll be getting doubts, so that's why I'm showing this one. Okay, alright, now let us move ahead and try to solve the first question. Write a query to display the annual salary of the employees whose name is Smith. So I want to display the annual salary of the employees whose name is Smith. So how I can write this? Okay, so first I will clear. Okay, so first I will write select. Okay, so select what I want to display is annual salary. Okay, so sal into 12 I will write. From where I have to get this data? From EMP table. And one more thing, that is whose name is Smith. So if I want to check this condition, then I will use where clause here. So I can write WHERE where. Okay, so employee name E name is equal to, in single quotes I have to write in capital only, I have to write, because here I have written in capital. Okay, so SMITH, this is the employee name, and close the single quotes, close the query, so semicolon. If I write like this, I will be getting the salary, annual salary of the employee whose name is Smith. So you can see here I'm having Smith and his salary is 800. If I multiply it with 12, I'll be getting 9,600 as the annual salary. So the same query, if I write in small or in lowercase, if I write the Smith name, guys, you will get error, that I will show here. Select salary into 12 from EMP where employee name is, okay, so Smith I am writing in small lowercase, guys. So if I write like this, then no row selected it will show, because this small Smith is not matching with the capital Smith which I have written here. So these are the particulars, guys, and particulars you should write as it is. So whatever you have stored in a capital, if you are storing, then the particular should be stored as passed as capital itself. Okay, so these things you can write in small. There is no as you know that SQL is not a case sensitive, so I will show you that one also. Now I will write select. Okay, so in small case I am writing select. Okay, so select sal into 12 I will write, and from EMP I will write, and I will write where. Okay, so E name is, I have to write like this, V name is Smith, and I will terminate. Okay, so now you can see I'm getting the output, because only this particular thing, that is fields or particulars which the user is passing, has to match with the data which is present in the table. So all these things are predefined as select star into 12, sal into 12. So all those things are the fields or column names. They can be given in capital or small, but the data which is inside this table, like the job type, or the name of the employees, or job, that is clerk, salesman, so all those things has to be given in the uppercase itself. Or if you are writing in uppercase in table, then write it in uppercase. So to avoid confusion, guys, what you can do is just write all those things in the capital itself. Okay, so while writing the query. Okay, that's it. I will just clear the screen. First query has been solved. Okay, alright. Next query, guys, write a query to display name of the employees working as clerk. So I want to display the name of the employees who are working as clerk. So I can write select employee name from EMP, and I will write where what is that, working as clerk, that means job. Okay, so job should be clerk, so CLERK, clerk. Okay, so see, these are the employees who are working as clerk: Smith, Adams, and James, and Miller. Okay, so this is the answer for second question. Got it? Yes. So third question, write a query to display salary of the employees who are working as salesmen. So I want to display the salary, so I will write select salary from EMP where job is salesman. So I will write salesman here and terminate, and I'll just hit enter. I'll be getting the salary of the employees who are working as salesman. This is about the third query. Okay. Now fourth one, write a query to display details of the employees who earns more than 2000. So the salary should be greater than 2000, guys. So I want to display the details. So I will write select. Whenever you want to display details, that means all details, then you have to use star or asterisk. Okay. So select star from EMP and where sal should be greater than 1200. So terminate it, display it. Okay, so these are the results, guys. Okay, so everyone is earning more than 1200. Okay, so except some Smith or those kind of things. Okay, that's it. Next question, that is fourth one. Okay, so fourth one done, guys. Fifth one, write a query to display details of the employees whose name is Jones. So I want to display, first I will clear the screen. So select star. Okay, so from EMP and where employee name what they have given, employee name is Jones, Jones. Employee name is Jones. So only one employee is there with name Jones and his details has been displayed, like employee number, employee name, job, MCR, hire date, salary, commission and department number. So this is the answer for fifth question. And sixth one, write a query to display details of the employees who has hired after 1 Jan 81. So I want to display the details of the employees who are hired after 1 Jan 81. So to display the details, I will be writing select star. So this will make sure that all the details are selected. After that from VMP, and after that I have to write where, and the date is hired after 1 Jan 81. So hire date should be greater than, in single quotes I have to write the date 1. After that month I have to write like this 1 Jan, and they have given it as 1981. Close the single quote, close the query and hit enter. So we'll be getting the details who are hired after 1 Jan 1981. So this is the solution for 6th question, guys. Now let us move ahead and try to solve the 7th one. Write a query to display name and salary along with his annual salary if the annual salary is more than 1200. So I want to display name, salary and also annual salary if the annual salary exceeds 1200. Okay, so 12,000 if it exceeds 12,000. So the things which I want to display is name, salary and annual salary. So I will write select employee name, after that salary and salary into 12. From I have to get it from the employee table, and condition is that sal into 12 should be greater than 12,000. So like this I have to write. See, it is selecting employee name, salary and annual salary from EMP table where annual salary, that is sal into 12, is greater than 12,000. So if I hit enter, then I will be getting the details, guys. Okay, so employee name, salary and annual salary. Got it? Yes. Okay, so next question, write a query to display employee number of the employees who are working in department 30. So I want to display employee number. So I'll just clear the screen once, guys. Okay, select EMP number from EMP where DEPT department number is equal to 30. So if the department number is 30, then only display the details. So this is it, guys. So select employee number from EMP where department number equal to 30. That means I'll be writing like this. Okay. So 9th question, write a query to display the employee name and hire date if they are hired before 1981. So this is kind of tricky question, guys. They have not given the day and month, only they have mentioned the year. So I want to display the details of employees who are hired before 1981. So 1981 starts from 1st Jan, right? So for 1st Jan 1981 will be the first date of 1981 year. So I want the employees who are hired before 1981. So that means I have to take day as 1 and month as Jan. So how I can write that one? I'll just show you in the SQL. So employee name and hire date I want, guys. So what I can write is select. Okay, so select first one, employee name comma hire date. Select employee name. Oh, okay, so it is missing here. Select employee name comma hire date. Okay, so from EMP I have to select, and where the hire date should be. Hire date should be before. They are asked before or after. So they are hired before. If they are asking for before, then I have to mention less than, and in single quotes I have to write 1 and Jan 1981. So this is the date, and just close the query. So this is it, guys. 1981 means they should be hired before 1 Jan 1981. This will not include the first day of 1981 as well. Okay, so if I hit enter, then you can see Smith is hired before 1 Jan 1981. Got it? Yes. The next question, guys, write a query to display details of the employees working as manager. 10th question, right? So the employee job should be manager. It is simple, guys. Select star, details means complete details I want, so that's why I will write star from EMP where job is manager, MANAGER, manager. Terminate the query, hit enter. So you'll get the details of the employee who is working as manager here. Got it? Yes. 11th one, write a query to display name and salary given to an employee if employee earns a commission of rupees 1400. So I want to display name and salary of the employee if he is earning a commission equal to 1400. So how I can write like this. Select employee name, and other thing is that salary. So the next thing I want to display is salary. From EMP table I want to get these things, and where commission COMM should be equal to 1400. Terminate the query, hit enter. So Martin is getting commission of 1400. He is the only employee in this table who is getting an commission equal to 1400. Got it? Yes. 12th question, guys, write a query to display details of employees having commission more than salary. Now I want to display the details of employees who are having more commission compared to salary. How I can write this one? So first let me just clear the screen. Now I will write select star because I want all the detail from EMP, and where commission should be greater than salary. Okay, so if I hit enter, here you can see Martin is being displayed. So Martin is the only employee who is getting more commission than salary. So like this we can solve. Okay, 13th question, guys, write a query to display employee number of employees hired before the year 87. So now it is problematic. So until now they are giving the year particularly 1981, or they may be giving a day and the month as well. But in this case, guys, only they are giving the last two digits of the year. So for this also I have given one date format. We are having two date formats in which there is day and month is compulsory, and we can represent the year with the help of two digits, or else we can represent the year with 4 digits as well. So if you are giving 87, that means it may be 1987, 1887, or it may be any year which is less than this 87. So don't particularly mention 19 or 16 or 17, just mention it as 87. It will display all the details of employees from 1987, 1887, 1787, 1687, 1587. It will go to up to the last date, so starting date. Okay, so I can write something like this. Employee number of employees, employee number I want. Okay, so I will write select EMP number. Okay, so I will write from EMP and where what they have written, hired before the year 87. So hired before year 87 means hire date should be less than, okay, so hire date should be less than 1, after that Jan 87 is starting at 1 Jan, right? So 87 I have to write, close the single quotes and close the query. So this will make sure that it will display all the details who are hired before 1987, 1887, 1787, 1687. It will go to the first date. So if I hit enter, then you can see I'm getting all the details related to employee number or all the employee numbers who are hired before 87. So this is basically 1987 results it is giving as they are present in the table. Okay, so explicitly don't write 1987 because it is not asked in the problem itself. They have just given 87, just you also write 87 in the query. Got it? Yes. 14th and last second question, guys. Write a query to display details of employees working as analyst. So I want to display the details of employees, all details of employees who are working as analyst. So I will write select, okay, so select star means all the details, and from EMP table I have to get, and where condition says that job should be equal to analyst. So analyst, job is analyst, and make sure that you are writing it in the single quotes, then only you will get the output, and analyst should be written in capital. So Scott and Ford are the two persons who are working as analyst in the table. Got it? Yes. So last question, write a query to display details of employees earning more than 2000 per year. So I want to display the details of employees who are earning more than 2000 as the per year income, that means annual salary. So I will write select star from EMP where sal into 12 is greater than, how much they have given, 2000. So 2000 I will mention and hit enter. So you can see almost each and every employee in this table is earning more than 2000 per year. So that's why each and everyone is getting displayed over here. Right? So this is the last question, guys. Okay. So in our next video we will be solving these 20 questions. Okay. So first 10, second video 10 questions, third video 15 questions, and in next video I will be in part 4. I will be solving these 15 questions, guys. They are kind of difficult and they are using much more difficult terms here, like in between parameters, so all those things, or and logical operators we will be using. So that one I'll be uploading soon, or else by the time you are seeing this video, so today is 5th December 21, so by the time you are seeing this video I might have already uploaded all the videos. Okay, so just check it in the description or else in the playlist, guys. You will get the next part. Okay, so thank you guys, thanks for watching this video, see you in the next one. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the next session. So this is the fourth session in SQL queries, guys, and already I have made 3 videos. So if you have not seen those videos, then you can check the playlist. Okay, so in first session we have solved 10 questions, after that we have solved again 10 questions, and in third part we have solved around 15 questions. So this is the fourth session, guys, and in this session we are solving 20 questions. Okay, so the difficulty level for these questions is higher as compared to the previous. Okay, so if you have not seen those videos, then I recommend you to see those videos, guys, because they are the basics and this is the kind of advanced questions. Okay, so if you watch all these questions, then I'm pretty sure, okay, so you will be solving any query in any technical interviews. Okay, so that's it, guys, just an introduction. Now let us start our session. But before that, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and like the video. Okay, so before we start solving our questions, I just want to show you something. Okay, so if you want to check whether that how many tables are present in your system, then you can just use this command. So the viewers who are seeing this video for first time, for them I'm just showing the table which I have created in this system. Okay, so you just type, guys, select, okay, select star from tab. So if you write like this, then it will display all the tables which are present in your system. So there are 4 tables in my system, department table, employee table, bonus table, and salary grade table. Out of these 4 tables, I will be performing all my operations on department table and employee table. So I will just display the fields or columns which are present in department table, so that whenever I am writing the queries, you won't get confused and you will be knowing like, yes, particular column is present in my department table and it is named like this. So what I can do is I will write something like this: select star from EMP. So first I will display the employee table, guys. So these are the particulars which are present in employee table. We have got around 2, 4, 6, 8 columns here. First column is employee number, second is employee name, third is job, and MGR is fourth, hire date, after that salary, commission, and department number. So these are the particulars which are present in the employee table. Okay, so just remember this column name, guys. Employee number, so employee ID and employee number are same. Employee name is written as ename here. Designation of the employees is written as job here. MGR is written as MGR itself. After that hire date is hire date itself. After that salary is written as sal, and commission is defined it as com, and department number is defined as DEPT number. Okay, so these are the columns which are present in employee table. Now let us see what are the columns present in department table. So I can write select star from DEPT. Okay, so this is a table name, that is department table. So in department table we have got 3 columns. First one is department number, after that department name, and after that LOC, that is location. So these are the particulars which are present in the department table. Okay, so once you know this, now we can start solving our queries. So I will clear the screen, guys. Just write clear SCR. It will clear all the clear the screen, but it will be present in buffer. So whenever you execute, it will be showing results very quickly. Okay, so there is one more option, shift delete. If you do that one, then the buffer will be deleted. So don't do that one, just clear screen. It will be enough for us. Okay, all right, guys. So let us move ahead and try to solve the first question. So first question is, guys, write a query to display details of the employees working as clerk and earning less than 1500. So I want to display details. Details means all the details. I have to use star here. Details of employees working as clerk and earning less than 1500. So their job should be clerk and their salary should be less than 1500. So how I can write this one? So write select star, because I want all details, and from which table? From EMP table I have to select, and there is condition which I will be writing with the help of where statement. So where, okay, so 2 conditions are there. Working as clerk, that means job is clerk. So job equal to, in single quotes I have to write clerk, CLERK, clerk. Okay, so after that another condition is there, so that's why I will use AND operator, and earning less than 1500. So earning less than means salary should be less than 1500, and terminate it with the help of semicolon. So here I have selected the I am selecting all the details from which table? Employee table, when these 2 conditions are satisfying. So note that whenever AND condition is there, if both the conditions are satisfying, then only it will give output. Okay, so job is equal to clerk and salary is less than 1500. So if I hit enter, then you can see this is the result, guys. So for all these candidates, the salary is less than 1500 and job is mentioned as clerk. Only clerk jobs are present. I mean the persons with clerk job are displayed over here. So this is the answer for first query, guys. Got it? Yes. So if you have got any doubt, you can just comment it out, guys. We'll take a look at that one as well, so in later sessions. Okay. Second question, write a query to display name and hire date of the employees working as manager in department number 13. So I need to display name and hire date of employees. Okay, so first thing is I need to display name and hire date. So like this only you have to write. First select employee name, comma, hire date. So write spellings correctly, guys. E-name, comma, hire date, and I have to select it from employee table, and where. So just write up to this, and after that read the conditions. So hire date of the employee is working as manager in department number 30. So job should be manager. So job equal to manager. Okay, so and department number DEPT number equal to 30, and just terminate that one. So working as manager and in department number 30. So if I hit enter, then you can see Blake is the person who is working as a manager and he is present in department number 30. Okay, so you can cross check it with the help of what guys, just you can if I write select star from EMP. Okay, so if I write like this, then you can see in department 30 Blake, where is Blake? Blake, search for Blake guys. Okay, so here you can see 7698 Blake is there and his job is manager and is working in department number 30. Okay, so I'm talking about this one, just show you. Okay, all right. Okay, so where is Blake? Here it is. Yes, I was talking about this one guys. So you can see above this above this line 7698 Blake manager and working as working over here. Got it? So this is it guys, the output is correct. So from this we'll come to know. Okay, so just I'm cross checking, that's it guys. Alright, so next question, the next one is write a query to display details of the employee along with annual salary if they are working in department number 30 as salesman and their annual salary has to be greater than 1400. So sorry, 14,000, right? So here whenever there is a word along with, okay, so whenever there is a along with, then we have to use emp dot star format here. So the along with indicates that we need to display all the details which are present in the table. With that, one additional column has to be attached here. So in order to display one additional column, we have to use emp dot star, or else I can say table dot star format. So how we will be writing for this one, just carefully observe guys. Okay, so I want to display all the details. So whenever it says detail, that means all the details which are present in the table. So all columns I have to first display. Along with that, I have to display annual salary. So first what I will do, first I will just clear the screen guys, clear SCR. Okay, so I will write select, so emp dot star. So emp dot star means it will display all the details. So along with all the details, what I want is annual salary. Okay, so sal into 12 gives me annual salary, and with the help of alias I will be writing as annual salary. So I'm getting annual salary over here. Okay, so this is it guys. So I'm displaying all the details, and along with that annual salary is being displayed if they are working in department number 30. Okay, so now I have to write from emp where. Okay, so now conditions are if they are working in department number 30. Okay, so first condition is department number should be equal to 30. Okay, after that department 30 as salesman and their annual salary has to be greater than 14,000, and job should be equal to salesman. So job is equal to, in single quotes I will write SALESMAN, so salesman. Okay, so after that another condition is there, annual salary has to be greater than 14,000, and I will write and sal into 12, that is annual salary should be greater than 14,000. Okay, so this is 14,000, and I'll just terminate the query and hit enter. So if I hit enter, then you can see I'm getting the output guys. So for all these employees, you can see they are working as salesman and they are present in department number 30 and their salary is greater than 14,000. So like this you can write query carefully. Okay, so whenever so here employee number is being displayed, employee name is their job, MGR, hire date, salary, commission, department number. So up to department number is my original table. Okay, so after that I am displaying this additional column with the help of this dot star format guys. Okay, so when this I have explained in my theory classes, Okay, so I hope you got it. Otherwise you can see my theory videos, guys. They are also present in the same playlist. Just check it out. Got it? Yes. Okay guys, so third question is over. Now let us move ahead and try to solve the fourth one. Write a query to display all the details of the employee working in department 30 or as analyst. So either they should be working in department 30 or they should be working as analyst. Okay, so what I can do is if they are asking for all the details, then I can simply write select star from EMP where, okay, so now I will write conditions where department number 30, department number should be equal to 30, so I will write DEPT number equal to 30, or either they should be in department number 30 or as analyst, or their job should be equal to, in single quotes I have to write analyst. Okay, so in single quotes I will write analyst and hit enter. So you can see here all the persons with either department number 30 or as a working as analyst will be displayed. Okay, so you can see here department number 30 and here analyst, salesman, all those things are there. Got it? So this is it, guys. Oh, okay, next question. The fourth is over now. Okay, so fifth question, write a query to display names of the employees whose salary is less than 1100 and their designation is clerk. So I want to display names, so it will be simple, guys. SELECT select E name, okay, from EMP where conditions are, okay, so condition is whose salary is less than 1100, so salary should be less than 1100, and next condition says designation is clerk, so job is equal to clerk. So this is it, guys. If I hit enter, you can see Smith and James are the two employees whose salary is less than 1100 and their job is clerk. So now I will clear the screen. Okay, so we'll move ahead and try to solve the sixth one. Write a query to display name and salary, comma, annual salary and department number. If department number is 20, earning more than 1100 and annual salary exceeds 12,000. Okay, so these kind of questions are kind of tricky, guys, and you need to divide this question in two parts. First you need to identify the things which should be displayed. Okay, so there are 3 or 4 things. First one is name, so I need to display the name, employee name. After that I need to display salary, after that annual salary, and after that I need to display department number. So first I will write the select statement here. So select, first one is employee name, after that second one is salary, so salary, after that third one is annual salary, so sal star 12. Okay, so this is annual salary. Okay, so after that another one is department number, so DEPT number. So these are the 4 things which I want to display. Just write down in a line. After that select the table, so from EMP table I have to fetch these things, then write the conditions with the help of where statement. Okay, so up to this you have to write in one step. After that second step is identify the conditions now. So if department number is 20, the first condition says that DEPT number should be equal to 20. Alright, department number is equal to 20 and earning more than 1100. So I have to write and salary should be greater than 1100. Okay, that is also written. Okay, and last condition, annual salary exceeds 12,000. After that I need to write and salary into 12. If I do, it will be annual salary and it has to exceed 12,000. So this is 12,000, guys, and I will terminate the query now. Okay, so see, I have written it in 3 lines. First line is for displaying all the elements. I need to display employee name, employee salary and annual salary, which is aliased as annual salary, and after that department number. Okay, so department number is there. So this is just, I don't want to display salary into 12, which is basically annual salary. So with the help of alias statements, if I write in double quotes, then instead of salary into 12, it will be displaying annual salary. Got it? So after that department number, from EMP table I have to select, and where department number is equal to 20 and salary should be greater than 1100 and annual salary should be greater than 12,000. So if I hit enter, you can see guys, John, Scott and Ford are the employees who are satisfying all these conditions. Yes, so like this you have to break down a big problem into small 2 pieces or even 3 pieces, and you have to write the query carefully. Got it? Yes. Okay guys, so 6th question is also done. Now let us move ahead and try to solve the 7th one. Write a query to display employee number and names of employees working as manager in department number 20. So this is also same guys, I need to display employee number and names of the employees. Okay, so I will write select employee name, comma, select employee name and employee number, so EMP number. So there is no need, like first I will write EMP number, after that E name guys. So employee number and employee name, I will be selecting these things from the EMP table where conditions are. Okay, so the conditions is okay, so 7th one I'll just, okay, so put it like this, otherwise it will be confusing for me. So where employees, okay, employee number and names of the employees working as manager, so job should be equal to manager, job is equal to manager, and another condition says that department number should be equal to 20, so department number equal to 20 and I will hit enter. So Jones is the employee who is satisfying these conditions. Yes. Alright guys, so 8th question, write a query to display details of the employees working in department 20 or 30. So here it is simple guys, select star, that means all details from EMP table where, okay, so where department number should be 20 or 30. So DEPT number should be DEPT number should be equal to 20 or DEPT number should be equal to 30. So these are the 2 conditions, and if I hit enter, then you can see I'm getting this whole table guys. Okay, so this is one of the way how we can write this query, but there is another easy method guys where you can write it in a few, you can use few number of lines guys. So how I can write the same query, whatever I written, select star from EMP where department number equal to 20 or department number equal to 30. So same query can be written in another way. I'll just demonstrate over here. Okay, so I will write select star from EMP, select star from EMP where, okay, so DEPT number, I will use in operator here. So this is the in operator, and in bracket I can mention the department numbers 20 comma 30. So with this basically says that so in means or, indirectly in is saying that department number, if it is satisfying any of these conditions, either the department number should be equal to 20 or department number should be equal to 30, then display the details. So if I hit enter, then you can see the same list or same table has been displayed for this one also. So this indicates that you can write query either like this or like this, but one thing is there guys, in actual coding or in actual database management we will not be writing the query like this. So to avoid these things, like we have to write department number equal to 20 or department number equal to 30, so it is wastage of we need to type lot of things and it will make the query more complicated. So in order to make it easier, it is designed, SQL is designed with the help of this one. So they have given this in operator. So another operator is there which is not in, so it is opposite to in. It is basically excluding the things which are written inside this bracket. So it will include, if I am writing in, that means it includes the things which are written inside these brackets, and if I have written not in, then it will exclude the things which are written inside the brackets. Got it guys? Yes. Alright, so I will write clear SCR once again and I will clear the screen. Okay, so I think we have solved which one? 8th one. Okay, 9th one guys now. Write a query to display details of employees working as analyst in department number 10. So I want to display details, that means select star from EMP, select star from EMP where working as analyst, that means job should be equal to an analyst. Okay, so job should be equal to analyst, and after that department number is 10, and I will write DEPT number equal to 10. So this is it guys, and it is saying that no row selected. Don't worry, it is not a wrong output guys, because there is no one in department number 10 who is working as analyst. You can cross check by displaying the number, displaying the table. Okay, so I'm pretty sure it is right answer. Okay, so there is no rule that every query should give some output. If it is not existing in table, then how it can give the output? So just ignore that one. So few queries I have written like that only. So the questions will not give any output, and you should be confident that yes, I have written correctly, and you have to cross check it with the help of table. Got it guys? 9th question is solved now. Okay, so 10th one, write a query to display details of employees working as president with salary of rupees 4,000. So I need to display the details of employees working as president. So I will write select star from EMP where job is equal to president and salary of rupees 4,000. So salary is equal to 4,000. So this is it guys. Okay, so select star from EMP, and okay, so you can see there is only one guy who is working as president. Where it is, I'll display over here. Okay, so this is also right guys. I'll just cross check this one so that you can understand. Alright, so there is only one guy who is working as president in our table, and he is okay, 1 second, I'll display here. Okay, so this is the guy who is working as president. Okay, so the name of the employee is King, and he is working as president, and I think there is no one whose job is president. Okay, so downside there is no one, and on upper side also there is no one. Okay, so yes, no one, and here you can see no row selected is the output. That means no one is satisfying this particular condition where job should be equal to president. So first condition is the King is satisfying first condition, but whenever it comes to second condition, salary should be equal to 4,000, but his salary is 5,000 here, so it is not satisfying the second condition. So that's why the output will be false, and from whole table no one will be selected. So no row selected is the correct answer for this query guys. Okay, so that I mean, you should be remembering, or you should remember this table, or you can just note it down on a pen and paper whenever you are writing the queries. Got it guys? Yes. Okay, so 10th question we have solved, and also I have cross checked with the help of employee table. I hope all your doubts have been solved there. Okay, so 11th question, write a query to display names and department number, comma, job of employees working as clerk in department number 10 or 20. See here guys, I want to display employee name, department number and job. So what I will write is, so first I will write clear screen, and select employee name, e-name, after that select e-name, after that department number, DEPT number, after that I want to select, or I want to display job, so I will give it as job, and from EMP I have to select, and there are where condition which says working as clerk in department number 10 or 20. So job should be equal to clerk, job is clerk, and working in department 10 or 20. So for if you are writing like department 10 or 20, then what you can do guys, you have to use bracket here, because DEPT number equal to 10 or 20. So DEPT number equal to 20. So if you don't write like this, then you will be getting the you will not be getting output, and that case also I will be showing, but just you just see output for now. Okay, so this is the output guys, and these are the 3 employees who are satisfying the above conditions. Okay, so what if I don't use brackets here? What will be happening? I'll just show you. I will write the same query, select e name comma dept number comma job from emp, where condition says that job should be equal to clerk, job is clerk, and I will not write brackets dept number equal to 10 or dept number equal to 20, and if I terminate this one and hit enter, then I will be getting different output. So here you can see the first output is different and the second output is different, though it seems or it's it says like both the queries are same, but they are not same guys. Basically because of this brackets, the first condition or the first query is correct and the second query is wrong. So what is happening over here is guys, basically what the SQL does is whenever it says whenever it sees and, it will take 2 operators, that is the first one on the left hand side and second one on the right hand side, and it will group them together. Okay, so it will make group of these 2. Okay, so I have to use a marker here guys, then only you can understand. Okay, so what it does is basically first it will make one condition of this one. Okay, so first it will make one condition, basically and is there, left hand side it will take one field and right hand side it will take one field. So what it will do, it will check for the condition where job is equal to clerk and department number 10. So you can see here department number 10 and job is clerk, so it has been selected here. After that it will, what it will do, after else or means department number 20. So after that all the things are having department number 20, because it is one of the it thinks that it is one of the condition which need to be satisfied. Okay, so that's why we'll be getting wrong output, because it is considering this as the first argument and this as the second argument. But in actual what we are writing is basically, so and is one condition, so this whole thing is one condition and this is another condition. So in order to differentiate, we need to put one bracket here guys. So if we put one bracket over here and over here, then it will take it as the first condition and it will take it as the second condition. So the same thing I have done, I have put a bracket over here and bracket over here. So the whole thing which is inside this brackets will be considered as one thing or one criteria, and after that this thing which is separately written, it will be taken as another criteria. So whenever the variable is same, here also department number, here also department number, then you should include these 2 things in parentheses or in brackets, then only you will be getting proper output. Because here we are having and as well as or operator. If there are only or operators or if there are only and operators, then is no problem. If there is a mix of and or operators, then you have to use brackets here for the fields which are having same variable. Like in this one, department number and department number are the same variables or same criteria, so I need to use brackets over here. So that's why I have written 2 queries guys. First one is right and the second one is wrong. So normally people go for second one, but please after seeing this video don't go for the second one. Make sure that you put a brackets for these things. Got it guys? Yes. I will write clear SCR again and clear the screen. Okay, so I don't know which one we have solved. I think 11th one we have solved guys. Got it? Okay, so the next question is 12th one. Write a query to display details of employees working as clerk or manager in department 10. So they are asking for details again. Then I can write select star from emp where condition says that working as clerk or manager. So one way how we can write is job in clerk. So clerk, clerk, job in clerk or job equal to manager. After that another condition says that department 10. So DEPT number equal to 10. So this is one of the way, guys, how we can write, and this is the output. Alright, so we, instead of writing job equal to manager and job equal to clerk and job equal to manager, what I can use is in operator. Okay, so in operator I will be using. So with the help of in operator, how I can write select star from EMP where job, and instead of these things I will use in here, job in and open bracket. After that, in single quotes I have to write clerk, close the single quote, write a comma, and after that another field is manager, MANAGER, close the single quotes, close the bracket. Okay, so this is one of the condition. After that, second condition is DEPT number. For this also I can use in, guys, DEPT number in 10. If I write like this, then also it will give me a proper output. Department number, so job equal to clerk or job equal to manager, and department number equal to 10. Okay, so department number equal to 20, 30. Okay, one second, guys, I'll just cross check this one. Select star from EMP where job in single quotes I will write clerk, job in clerk, comma, manager. Okay, I will close this one, and DEPT number equal to 10. Alright, guys, so basically the first thing which were displayed over here, that is select star from EMP where job equal to clerk or job equal to manager and department number equal to 10. This is actually the wrong output, guys. Okay, so we have not noticed this one. You can see here, and department number should be equal to 10, but here you can see department number 20 is also displaying, department number 30 is also displaying. That is because of the bracket, guys, which just now I have explained, but I forgot to write those things, guys. So this is the correct output. Okay, so I can write like this, and the same output I will be getting if I write the first query, that is this one, in this form: SELECT from EMP where, and in bracket I have to write job equal to, first thing is clerk. Okay, so job equal to clerk or job equal to clerk or job equal to manager, job equal to manager, and I have to close this one. After that, and DEPT number equal to 10. So if I write like this, then I'm pretty sure that I'll be getting the same output as that of the previous year. So this is the correct output, guys. The first way is I can use this bracket and I can write like this. The second way is I can either use these conditions, like in where job in clerk comma manager, that means job in either clerk or a manager, and department number in 10 I can use, or department number equal to 10 I can use. So there are a lot of methods which are present, guys. Whichever you think is easy to remember or easy to write, then you can choose that one, but learn all those things, guys. Okay, so sorry, I have written this one wrongly. Okay, so this I have to use brackets, this job and job repeating here, right? So I need to use brackets, I have not used, so that's why I have got wrong output, and I don't know why I have not noticed that one. Alright, sorry for that one. Clear screen. Okay, so I have cleared the screen now. All right, so 13th question, guys. Write a query to display names of employees working in department 10, 20, 30. Before that, I just want to make sure that it is recording. Yes, guys, it is recording. So write a query to display names of employees working in department 10, 20, 30, 40. So comma means or, guys. Most of the guys will be thinking like it is and. No, it's not and, because one particular person can't work in all these departments. Okay, so either you can become a software developer, or you can become a front-end developer, or you can become a Java developer, or a Python developer, or a SQL developer, but you can't do all those things at a time. Okay, so I can't say that you'll not be able to do, but at different times you have to do different things. Okay, so one person can't be an employee he can't be a CEO, he can't be a president. Only one position he can hold. In the same way, the employee will be working only in one department, not in all departments. Okay, so that's why this basically means that display names of the employees who are working in either department 10 or 20 or 30 or 40. So it is pretty simple, guys. I need to select employee name, so e name from emp table I have to take, and here I'm having where condition. Okay, so where condition says that working in department 10, 20, 30, 40. So DEPT number. So this first the first method I will be showing, guys, and here there is no need to use brackets because I will be using only OR condition, but for good practice I can use brackets, guys, where DEPT number equal to 10. Okay, so DEPT number equal to 10, after that or DEPT number equal to 20 or DEPT number equal to 30 or DEPT number equal to 40, and close the bracket, close the query. So if I write like this, then you can see so all those conditions I have taken 10, 20, 30, 40. Yes, I hit enter and you can see these are the employees who are satisfying the above condition. So it is kind of lengthy, guys. I am repeating department number. So in order to remove this one or overcome this one, I can use in operator. So I will write select e name from emp where DEPT number in 10, 20, 30, 40, and I'll close the bracket and close the query. If I hit enter, you can see same output I'll be getting, 14 rows selected, and here also 14 rows selected. So this is the power of in operator, guys. Okay, so you should be using in operator whenever the condition is repeating itself. Got it, guys? Yes. So clear screen again, and next question is write a query to display, that is 14th one. Write a query to display details of employees with employee number 7902, 7839. So their employee number should be equal to 7902 or 7839. Okay, so I want details, so I will write select star from emp where employee number, so emp number equal to 7902 or emp number equal to another one is 7839. So 7839. So these are the two conditions. So if I hit enter, then you can see King and Ford are the two employees who are satisfying above conditions. But the same thing I can write it with the help of in operator, guys. So I will write select star from emp where condition says that emp number in either it should be 7902 and 7839. So these are the two conditions. I will close the query here and hit enter. You can see same output I am getting, guys. So these are the two ways. Either you can go with the OR operation or you can go with in operator here. Okay, so this is it. Alright, guys, so next 15th question, last 5 questions, guys, just stick with me. So write a query to display details of employees working as manager or salesman or clerk. So here you can see it has given 3 OR conditions. Then I can use easily here OR operator, or else I can go for in operator here. So write a query to display details. So they are asking for details. I will write select star from emp where condition says that job should be manager, salesman or clerk. So job is equal to, first one is manager, or job is equal to clerk, or job is equal to salesman. So these are the 3 conditions. I will hit enter and you can see this is the output, guys. So instead of this query I can use alternatively this one also, select select star from emp where, okay, so job in, where job in, I can write these conditions here. First one is manager, after that second one is clerk, after that third one is salesman. Terminate this one, terminate the query, hit enter, and you can see I'm getting the same output. 11 rows selected, 11 rows selected. So this is it guys, how you can write. So clear screen. Okay, so I think we are done with 15th question. Now 16th question. Write a query to display names of employees hired after 81 and before 87. So this is a kind of tricky question guys, and you need to understand question properly in order to write the query. So writing query is very easy if you understand the question properly. So what I want to display is, I want to display employee name. So name of the employees who are hired after 81. So tell me one thing guys, after 81 means the year should end. Okay, so at what time the year will be ending? Any year. So after 31st December any year will be ending, right? So it is what today is 5th December. Okay, so this is the last month of 2021, and after this after 31st December 2021 year will be gone and 2020 will be starting. So after 81 means after 31st December 81. So they will be giving only year. We have to guess the, I mean we have to calculate, or we have to understand that it is after 81 means after 31st December 81. And another condition says that they should be hired before 87. So before 87 means starting of 87 should not be included. So 87, when the year 87 will be starting? On 1st Jan 87. So if I say when year 2022 will be starting, so it will be starting on 1 Jan 2022. Try to understand guys, 1 Jan 2022 is the first date of year 2022. Okay, so in same way before 87 means 1 Jan 87 will be the first date, and we have to write a condition that higher date before means higher date should be less than 1 Jan 87. Okay, so I hope you got this one. You can just reverse or rewind the video and try to understand guys. Got it? Okay, so now I'll write the query, that is 16th one. Okay, so 16th one, it is pretty much simple if you understand guys. Got it? Okay, so write a query to display names. So first one is select ename. From I will write emp. Okay, so where condition, first condition hired after 81. So hired after 81 means the date, higher date should be greater than, in single quotes I have to write the date. So hired after 81 means 31 December 81. So this is the date. After that AND operator I will be using, and next thing says that, and before 87 means higher date should be less than